place you gotta do on my list is Hyderabad. So on this trip, we're going to do lots of fun things. There's going to be lots of shopping, obviously, lots of yummy food, some biryani. We're also going to head to the famous film city, to a trampoline park, and there's going to be lots of other fun stuff. But first up, I have the beautiful Charminar. Let's take a closer look. Charminar is a monument which is right in the center of Hyderabad. It was built in 1591 by the 4th Qutub Shahi king. Now the Charminar is literally 4 minarets, that's what it means. And it's supported by these beautiful arches. So you've got 4 minarets, 4 arches. And the clocks that you see right here in the center, those were brought from London. Let's head inside. There's a lot of restoration work going on around the monument and on the monument. You can see some of the minarets are under restoration. They're redoing the outside of the monument as well. So there's a lot of noise. But it's still very beautiful. I mean, you can see the work on the minarets is really intricate. And it's really massive. Top are really narrow as you can see, and if you're claustrophobic, I would not advise this because it is tight. Okay, so it's quite a climb up it's just really spiral. No break. Made it. Of the Charminar, which is kind of like the 6th floor, offers you a great view of the inside and the outside. So right here, we're seeing the central portal that we talked about. There's a fountain down below, and you can see the work here. And on the other side, you get a view of the city, like a 360-degree view. You can keep moving and see what the city looks like. So it's really, really beautiful. Marble and it still stands strong. On the top floor, and it's pretty amazing that it's so jacked. The city of Hyderabad was actually built around the Charminar, and this is the center of the city. And it actually feels like that because everywhere you stand, you see like roads leading out of the Charminar. It kind of makes you feel like you're in the middle of the city. Hyderabad, a visit to the Charminar is a must. You cannot miss this. See you guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.
तेलंगाना हमारा सबसे युवा सबसे कम उम्र का प्रदेश है, 29वां राज्य इस देश का, और पहले वो आंध्र प्रदेश का हिस्सा हुआ करता था, लेकिन अब वो एक अलग प्रदेश बन गया है। 1 साल से भी कम उम्र है उसकी, लेकिन उसकी संस्कृति भी बड़ी कमाल की है। वहीं के तेलंगाना के जो हमारे कलाकार हैं, वो आपके सामने इस मंच पर जो नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, लंबाड़ी उसका नाम है। और लंबाड़ी के पीछे का जो भाव है, शादी के मौके पर, तीज त्योहारों के मौके पर, खुशी के मौके पर, और ये खुशी का तो बहुत बड़ा मौका है सूरजकुंड का ये मेला, तो ऐसे मौके पर आपके लिए, आपके मनोरंजन के लिए प्रस्तुति की जा रही है। एक बड़ी खास बात यह है कि जब जमीन में हम बीज बोते हैं, चाहे वो अन्न का हो, फल का हो, सब्जी का हो, बीज बोते हैं तो उसको भी ये पर्व की तरह मनाते हैं, क्योंकि वाकई बड़ी कमाल की बात है, हम आमतौर पर नहीं सोचते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से जीवन का अंकुर फूटता है, एक नया जीवन, एक नई शुरुआत होती है, वो बीज भी जो हम धरती में बोते हैं, वो अपने आप को नष्ट करके एक नए जीवन की शुरुआत की नींव रखता है, उनकी चूड़ियां वो पहनती हैं और श्रृंगार करती हैं। तो आपके सामने हमारे तेलंगाना से आए हुए कलाकारों की प्रस्तुति लंबाड़ी।
discuss Unit 2, Telangana, the pride of the people. We all are living in Telangana. It is our state. We have got our own state in 2014, June 2nd. So from that day, we got 29 states in India. Before that, we had only 28 states. So with the joining of Telangana state, we have got 29 states. You know, there are many people, so many people fought for to get have a separate Telangana state. Even I was part of that because when I was in Karimnagar, I don't know what happened at that time in Khammam, but when I was in Karimnagar, even we closed our school children, and sometimes only the teachers who have gone for Dharana, strike, and we fought for our Telangana. And the day when they have announced, that is on June 2nd, 2014, when they announced, we were so happy because we have our own state, we can have our own culture, we can have our own language. Before that, when people of Telangana talk, because when we think that Andhra Pradesh slang of Telugu is different and Telangana slang is different. So when Telangana people talk in some important functions, they make fun of that language. They did not consider that as a beautiful language. Actually, Telangana, our language, though it is Telugu, it has its own beauty, its own way of talk, and now it is considered our language also considered as a beautiful one. Wherever we go, we are able to talk in our own language. That is Telangana slang. And we have now our own culture. We have our own different kinds of festivals. So that is what we are going to learn in this lesson. Those who have the textbook, make sure that you take textbook. As I read, you will be able to underline the hard words. Those who don't have the textbook, don't worry. You listen to me carefully and later you can do it. Underlining or writing the hard words course. Shall we start the lesson? Here you can see some pictures. There are 3 pictures. What are the pictures? What are the pictures can you see? You can see 3 different kinds of pictures. One is, where do you see this one? You can see in Hyderabad. That is Charminar. It is well known, Charminar. And this is the dance form of Telangana, local dance form. And this one you can see in Warangal. That is called as, in the fort you can see this one. Okay? You can see this. So these things are now used as the part of our Telangana. This is the gate. When you go to Warangal, you can see in the gate. Can you see? Yeah. In the temple also you can see this entrance. Now wherever we go, even we have in our entrance of Khammam, from there also we have this kind of arch. Okay, so you can see that. So this is also known as Shila Toranam. Okay. Okay. Now, what do you know about the monuments and the dance shown in these pictures? Those who know that, you can write it down in a book. And the second one, what cultural importance do these monuments and dance have for us today? You can find it out and you can write your own. So you can select any one of this picture which you are interested, and you can talk this when the school reopens or when we give you chance to speak. Kiran asked. Today is the red letter day for us, dear. What is the meaning of red letter? Red letter day means important day. Very important day. So important day is called as a red letter day. The Union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country. It took years for the government to take this decision. Many people sacrificed their lives for our state. We need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. Now we have our own state with our own culture, Hari said. Those times there were many people sacrificed their life. Many people were killed. Many people poured kerosene and sacrificed their life for the Telangana, separate Telangana state. There are many thousands of people who fought for, or lakhs of people fought for our separate Telangana state. So we should not remember, getting Telangana is not just a piece of cake. It was a hard work. It was a lot of people have sacrificed their lives for our separate Telangana. Dad, please tell me more about it, Kiran requested eagerly. Dear child, the long-lasting dream of our people has become true. The birth of our state has made our vision real. Because I told you when I was telling the introduction, we people, the Telangana people, we could not talk in the Telangana language with their slang. Many people made fun of, they laughed at. They told, what is that language? What is the way of their talking? That way they have made fun of our language. Now we have our own, so we can proudly talk. Even our CM is talking in the Telangana language. Whenever he talks, he uses Telangana language. Even many more people are using our Telangana language. Even those who do not know, those who are from Telangana and do not know their language, make sure that you learn it from your grandparents and your parents. Now there are more chances for employment, inclusive development. Moreover, we can revive our culture. Revive means come alive or rejuvenate, revive, become alive, more interesting, more enthusiastic. Now there are more chances of employment, inclusive development. Moreover, we can revive our culture, we can revive our language. Hari said. Dad, is your language different? Kiran asked. Not exactly, Hari said. It's a variant of Telugu dialect. It is a variant of Telugu dialect. Dialect means a form of language. A form of language. It is a Telugu, but we talk in a different way. But it has not been given the status of a language because our language, we love it. It is our language. Wherever we go, it is by language we are joined together, or by state we join together. It has not been given the status of a language and was humiliated on many occasions. Even our festivals are not given much importance. Indeed, our Telangana language is part of our culture. Telangana language is part of our culture, Hari explained. What are the special festivals of our state, Dad? Kiran asked. So here are some pictures that I will show of our festival. So this is called Bonalu. Bonalu festival that we celebrate during Ashadam. It is the Thanksgiving festival for Mahankali. This is our state festival. Another is here, Badukamma. You can see, yes or no? Badukamma festival is part of a Dasara. We celebrated this very, very grandly. Also, it is a religious festival. Can you see this one? So, this is Badukamma and this is Bonalu. So, these are our many other festivals were also there. We will read it. We will celebrate the main festival as well as the regional festivals. Festivals like Bonalu, Badukamma and Pirla Pandita reflects our life. Pirla Pandita, those who are there in the village, they celebrate more. Muslim people, but it is not specially for Muslims. They all kind of religion people come together because in the village we don't separate ourselves by the religion or caste. It is like a one family. So they celebrate together. Hari said. Meanwhile, Hari saw Lakshmi coming. Now it's your mother's turn. She will let you know about our festival. Hari said. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to the goddess Mahankali for fulfilling all our wishes. See, when we do, whatever we do, puja for Mahankali, they will do with a lot of concentration, with a lot of piety we do, whatever puja we do for Mahankali. And in those days, during Bonalu, we prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghattam, that is a pot, the decorated pot, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs. We keep on our bed and we go in procession singing songs. The feast culminates as the ghattams are offered to the local goddess, said Lakshmi. So we offer that pot in front of the goddess Lakshmi. Until that, you are not supposed to keep the ghattam down, that pot down. Indu, Kiran's sister joined them and said, yes, last Tuesday we saw a Jubilant procession, a very big, long procession. Indu asked, Mom, what about Badukamma? Okay, I am sure that you all of you are interested about Badukamma. We learn Badukamma tomorrow. Are you ready? Get ready for tomorrow's class to know more